So sa aking paglibot-libot ay nakadiscover ako ng recreation park. Ayan. So meron siyang tennis court, two toilets dito, tapos sa taas, and also one toilet is also a changing area dahil karamihan dito is on the sport, so they can change and just also can take a bath here in this park. Ayan. So dito sa baba ay tennis court at sa kabila ay meron ding basketball court. So it's accessible all ages. At malinis siya, ha, because from time to time may naglilinis. And also malinis din yung toilet.